how to link tasks in ClickUp. So first go to your ClickUp homepage. Next is just go to the project where your tasks are. Okay. Now, for example, I want to link my task to task 2. So let's just click on task. And then just click on relationships here. Then just click on link task. Okay. Let's say you can't find your task 2 here. Just click on browse tasks. Okay, now look for the task 2. So I'm in project 1 right now, so I'll just link task 2 here. Okay, now it's linked. So for example, I want to link another one. So just click on course relationship again, link task, browse, and then just let's say I want to link task 3 as well. So let's click on task 3, and there you go. Now they're all linked. Let's just full screen this, and now as you can see, it says linked. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.